So the Windows 11 22H2 is out for public download. You can check your Windows updates to download it. I just downloaded it yesterday and I've used it over 12 hours. And in this video, I'm going to show you the process of downloading it, how easy it is. In fact, it is kind of seamless. Of course, there is a little disappointment for me because with this update, we still don't have the Explorer tab on File Explorer for everybody. I'm hearing that it will be out in a future update for October. I mean, why? So come with me, let me guide you quickly through the installation process of the Windows 11 22H2. Okay, welcome back again to Smart Report, and I'm so excited to have you here. Our giveaway tag, Megaway giveaway, is still going on, so all you need to do is to click on the subscribe button right now to be part of it. So the Windows 11 22H2 is here, and I have a very big disappointment. The tabs for File Explorer is still not there. Of course, it will be coming with a future update next month, October 2022. Let me guide you through this. It's a little bit seamless. So depending on how fast your network is, my own network is shitty. Your own might take you 5 to 10 minutes and you're done downloading it. The installation about 30 minutes, about 1 hour depending on the speed of your system. So go check out your Windows update. It's there. It's the Windows update. If you want to see what's new, you can just click on see what's new in this update. But we're going to just click on download and install. And why do I not read all these things? Okay, so my network is too poor, so I'm probably going to skip this and show you some of the things that is from the what's new. A lot of things like enhanced, phishing protection, smart app, credential, malicious, the list. Just put the link in the description, just click and look it. So it will start downloading depending on how fast your network is. My network is shitty, and then if it gets to 100%, it will start installing, so that one takes another time. So once it's done installing, it will prompt you to restart the system now. I mean, it's like seamless. You can be doing whatever you're doing and doing that. Now it restarted about twice, so this one and then you do another restart, and that's just all the restarts that you will get while updating. So that's the second restart, and you're just about done. It's that easy. So let's go in and confirm that we have really updated to Windows 22H2. I'm going to open run WinVar and let's check it out. So that's it. I can confirm we're running on Windows 11 22H2 build 226, whatever. There are some kind of new changes, kind of the animation. I think one of the things I love is the animation and how things pop out, the arrangement, some of the UI improvement is good. I have to use it for a longer time to test the performance improvement. I can't say now, but then that's, oh come on, that tab for File Explorer, I wish they just did it with this first one. So let's wrap it up. Well, what do I think about this? I think in terms of UI and animation, I think there's kind of some sweet updates, changes in the UI and animation. But if you're old school, I don't think that's going to impress you enough. That it impressed me. I'm still going to use it for a while to be able to tell the performance the way it's improvement based on the last one. For me, I can't wait to have that File Explorer tabs, because I do scatter a lot of files, so it could help me arrange something. That's one of the things I'm expecting. I'm also expecting better improvement of integrating Android apps and all that, but we'll watch and see. For now, I think it's a little bit of good updates. Initially, when I installed it, my YouTube mouse was not my Bluetooth mouse was not connecting well, but after a while I think it picked up. Maybe the system was still processing, so I will leave it for like maybe 3 weeks or 1 month, and I'll do a full review of the improvements, performance and all that for the Windows 11 22H2. So make sure you subscribe so you can join that giveaway, and until I see you in the next one, peace. Subscribe. I'll see you.